So guys, we are back today with another video of TT Rockstars. Let me put you over here. So guys, if we're going to charge, I show you my school, okay? And then after I show you my class. And I've got something else to show you that's really good. And you really will want to see it. So first is sum 0.83. Second is sum 0.91. Third is sum 0.92. Fourth 0.93. And I'm joint fourth with a 0.93 person. So that's actually good. So I'm doing really good for my school, and in my class I am third, I think. I think I'm third. At the end of the video, well, before the end of the video, I mean, after one match I'll show you this. Yep, so 0.83, 0.91, 0.931. So we got 4 Rock Legends in our class. Let's see what the least person is. I'm sorry I've not been recording for a very, very long time. Oh. Okay, that doesn't matter anyway. So I'm going to have one match, then I'll show you this beautiful thing that I am wearing. And I am a Rock Hero, 0.93. Comment what speed you are, Oh, I'm going to have to leave. Let me put the logo over there. So I won't be long. Just give me, wait, sorry. Sorry about that, I didn't mean that. I don't know why I'm getting out, by the way, I don't. So I have just took my top off, and I show you what this is. So, we're getting merch. When I get to 50 or something subs, we get to have this merch. I've got it ready. So if you guys want it, please get me to 100 subs or 50. I really want the play button for 100 subs the bronze one. That, I don't care if it's bronze. I just really want one. Then you guys can get rewarded with this. And whenever it comes out, I put a 25% off or something on it for you guys. So I've bought this top for now. While I'm waiting, put that over there anyway. This one I'm wearing is not better than that. So I designed that on my own, and it says hashtag hell no. That's what my YouTube channel is called as well. So I'll be saying hell no a lot now. Hell no. But not all of you guys can buy that, because there won't be 50 or something, because it's quite expensive. And I've got a goal for this year on YouTube. Can we please get me to 100 subs by the end of the year? That would be my dream exploded if you ever do that. Look, I've got a cat here. Look, this is my cat. Hi. Her name is Sky. She wants to go out, but she's not going out, so... Oh my god. Oh. By the way, make sure to subscribe to Jammy James. That's his YouTube channel. That's my friend called James. Would definitely make sure to subscribe to me. I've got 11. He's got 10. And then make sure to subscribe to TM Plays. I was slow. But I'm getting my speed back. Because I am fast. Kind of, with some people. So we've got 59. How good to do at times tables. She's just so cute. 0.5901. Guys, if you follow my TikTok, my TikTok is, wait, I'll tell you in the next video because I can't remember it at all. So we're just gonna like festivals. We're just gonna keep on doing festivals. That's that. Oh, what a beautiful day. And my Xbox, if you want to play with me, my Xbox name is class C1ABZZ. Let's try and get as much subscribers so my dad will go ballistic. Let's try and do that. Let's see if we can be that good. Guys, and if you are watching this video, can you please tell other people to watch my videos and subscribe, because I really want the play button. When I do get the play button, I will shout out all of you. And I give you guys who have subscribed 25% off buying my merch. That was bad. Let's agree to this. That was a bad. Some people it might be bad, but for me, some people it might be good, but for me it's bad. She wants to go out. She's so cute. God, stop. Okay, I'm going in the game again, okay? If I get it wrong, I'll be saying hell no. Hell no. Sky, you're really annoying me. I know you want filled up. Hell no. I think she just wants to be in the video. I think what she thinks is that you guys are the best people ever. That's what she thinks. come on. Stop looking enough at you. Oh, that was bad. In my next video, I might do like Scribble.io or something. I thought you messed up. Alright, we're gonna have to leave that in midnight. So I just need to get on the second. Oh, no, wait. Wait, let me see my box slams quickly. Changes from others. This has had an update. Let's go to here. Alright, so no one rock slams me. So you guys want to rock slam me and TT Rockstars if you have it. My name is Ricky Wynn. And I'm year 4. But I can't say what school I go to, because I'm not given any extra information, because I just want to be safe. People who swear have a lot of subs. I don't know why they do that. They shouldn't swear, because that's just, I mean, it's just being rude, really. Oh, hell no. Oh, I can't do good. Oh, might do like just 2 more matches, then I'll leave it. Or maybe this last one, because I don't run out of time to do my outro. I messed up. But I'm so really good. Yes, I got 60. Right, one will go quickly. Guys, stop me out, okay? I'll be there in 1 second. Yeah, we might have to leave this one. Might have enough time to do outro if we leave. I'll leave when it gets to like 30. Right, so I'm going to this again. Right, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Be quiet. Sorry about my car. And I hope you like my new merch that I'm going to be getting. And make sure to subscribe to me and Jammy James. Make sure to get 50 subs so 100 to get the play button. And I really like that, and I'll shout you out. I'll see you later.